slept, and that's why I'm sick now.
Oh,
Jello.
Oh yeah.
Jello, be careful.
Oh yeah.
Squeeze.
Oh yeah, Jello.
Squeeze. It's December. I just realized it's Vlogmas, but I have like 7 vlogs already, so I feel like I can be good. Still waiting to leave. My hair is wet. I showered this morning and it's freezing. I don't know if my hair is frozen, but my nose is super red and raw. Oh my goodness, is Ari flying?
She's flying like Elsa?
Oh my,
Your side?
yeah, let's do it. Goodbye, Housey. We are at the coffee place that we went to accidentally yesterday. Your iPad. I got a maple pecan latte. It's pretty. Look at this breakfast burrito. Yeah. Oh, why is she crying? Breakfast before we go. We're back from Truckee, and we had to real quick get ready, because now we're on our way to another family dinner before the Christmas train tonight. So I real quickly just put on mascara and brow gel. I'll probably leave my hair down later, but I don't have anything Christmas themed, but at least I brought this matching green set. So we're going for Christmas colors. Isaac's wearing red, and I'm gonna wear green. Hopefully that's on theme. But I think we're gonna eat at like a, is it a Vietnamese restaurant? That'll be good. But like literally we had no time in between. We got coffee this morning in Truckee, and then the drive back was like, what, 3 hours? Like we had no time in between to like really get ready. But we're about to leave right now. There was like different things.
Oh, we're eating like big.
I'm on a diet.
No fish.
Do-do-do. Oh-do-do-do.
You like it?
Suspect has blush blindness.
So I like the guys. Do you love cake?
Oh.
You need chairs? It's okay, I carry you.
Who got a birthday? You? Who got a birthday?
You only walk from here to here.
I
got this. Brian. My carpet had a little What you say? She is your Jasmine. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you.
Man, that looks spicy. Oh my god, look how red this thing is. Oh, that's crazy. Taste it. Taste it.
It's not
I don't know that. My butthole says different.
It just looks
did it!
Figure it out, guys.
Yes, sir.
I might ask if they can make a hot chocolate traveler.
They are not true like your giant.
They don't? Picture.
2 gallons of hot milk.
The car went and they got quiet and then we pulled up, it was loud. We were like, it's
It's the Niles brick. our video. No. Arkumot. Wow. Feels like Christmas. There is an upstairs.
There's some seats upstairs.
Gerald is climbing.
Let's go upstairs.
How many seats? Is this just for Gerald and Jalen? Oh, there's both sides? Oh, it's locked off though. Oh, okay.
Hey, Gerald, pull it back.
Train outside.
I missed it. The one next to Wingstop? Oh. Those are nice.
I just realized what you meant.
We're on the Christmas train. Santa is right outside our window. Yep.
It's like a little drawing desk.
Oh.
Tell you better.
I'm in the shot.
Can you say we're waiting for Santa? Santa's coming. Oh, look, she come up here.
Oh my gosh, she's a beaver! Look, Santa's behind you!
The little ones.
The little one, how are you? You're on the journey.
She was like, where?
I know.
Go walk with her.
Tell Santa you've been a good boy.
Who's recognizing you? Whatever you say.
Okay, you guys want to go up there? Let's take a picture. Jello, you want to go? Let's go.
So are we one happy family or well, come on, I'm gonna be July. That's so cool.
Was that awesome?
So Santa? Oh, yeah.
Ask him to dance.
Oh.
In the what?
But it's a beautiful reflection.
Where's the dog? And where's the fruit? Yeah. How about the bike? Bike? Where's the choo-choo train? Yeah. Yeah. How about the lion? How about the elephant? Oh my goodness.
Say hi. Okay, bye.
I can't see anymore.
What is that?
It's for eyes. I see you. Hi. Merry Christmas. Bok bok.
Merry bum bum. I don't even know what the last clip was, but it's the end of the night. It's like late. What time is it? Like 11? Almost midnight. I'm guessing. I'm just making that up. 11:13. We drove all the way to Berkeley to drop off my sister. And now it's so dark. Now we're on our way back. We're driving back to LA tomorrow. So that'll be fun. But I think I'm gonna try to continue doing Vlogmas for the whole rest of December. Vlogmas. So like, subscribe, comment, whatever the heck. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.